Ground elder can be quite an annoying weed when it gets a foothold in the garden. It's quite a low-growing umbelliferous plant. When the flowers are out, they look like this. Mostly it's sort of just finished now. And it's got leaves like this, which are about usually a foot above the ground, and then the flowering stems are about 2 feet above the ground. It doesn't get too high. It usually occupies the shady, damp niche, so it sort of takes over in shady, damp corners of the garden, and it has these long underground rhizomes which can get 2 feet deep and can spread and colonize that entire niche, and it's often very, very difficult to get rid of. The young leaves are nice to eat cooked, apparently. I've not ever tried them. But they were brought to Britain by the Romans for their culinary values. So they're not actually native to Britain, and they also are naturalized in other parts of the world, like North America, for the same reason. The stems are also edible, and the seeds can be toasted and eaten. So they have quite a variety of things you can eat on them. But not the roots. I can't find anything to say you can eat the roots, but certainly stems, old and young leaves and seeds you can. Medicinal uses, gout and rheumatism. Some people call this plant gout weed, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties. And yes, the easiest way to get rid of it is really just continually forking to like 2 feet deep and just removing all of the weed roots. It's quite notoriously grows on fence boundaries, so two neighbours will both have the problem. So you need to coordinate with your neighbours when you're doing that. Otherwise, it will just spread back from next door. But it's quite a common plant, and just likes the sort of shady, damp niches. Occasionally you see it growing in woodland like here, but usually it's more like a weed in gardens. And a lot of people find it very, very difficult to get rid of, but persistent digging will get rid of it.